The second release of 2025 has just landed and it's full of exciting new features, and I was hoping our Chief Customer Officer might walk us through some of them, so let's see if he's in this office. Hello, hello.
Hello.
Do you maybe have time to walk us through the new release?
Of course I do.
Okay, so lots of exciting stuff this time around. One thing that we're particularly excited about is e-invoicing. Maybe you could tell me a little bit about some of the new features we have for that.
Yeah, in document capture we've actually made a great tool. You see, the exchange of electronic documents is a very important focus for businesses right now, in particular in Europe. So we made it very easy for you in Business Central to actually get an overview of all your customers and vendors and whether they are able to receive documents in electronic formats and which documents. So this is very, very easy, very fast to do. And you can imagine the time where the legislation comes into force and you have to apply sending electronic documents to all your customers and vendors, or a large majority of them. This will save you a lot of time. It's done in very few minutes.
But I know there's so much more added for document capture, so maybe you have another favorite?
Yeah, we actually made it possible for you now to capture item tracking details. So that means lot numbers, serial numbers, expiration dates. So these you can now capture on your purchase invoice and apply them to the line as well. So that's going to save a lot of time for people.
I was wondering if there are other solutions where we're also saving people some extra minutes in their process.
Of course, that's what we do. In expense management, for example, we've made it possible for you to bulk approve your expenses. So if you know what you're doing, you can mark them and do bulk approvals across mileages, expenses and expense reports. That's going to save you a lot of time.
But I know we also have some cool time-saving features in banking that we're adding.
Of course we have. In banking we made it possible for you to import multiple account statements, also for the same account, and that means you will very efficiently be able to work with your aggregation periods. Whether you do it daily, weekly, monthly, that is something we're able to automatically help you with now. So it's become much, much easier to work with. And on top of that, we added 50 new banks, or actually more than 50 new banks to Continias banking, and we're not stopping there.
More people will get to enjoy these features now.
Definitely.
Fantastic. And of course, saving time, that's a big thing at Continias, but security and compliance is one of our other big focus areas. And I know this release also has some features for that.
Yeah, security is naturally very important to us, and I guess all that use Business Central as well. We have made a new module in document output where we gathered our security features. So that means this is the place you go to sign your files, your PDF files with the code. You can also sign in with your own certificate that you import. And we have made an integration to a provider of these certificates that's called eSeal. And eSeal is something that you will need to use working in France.
Thank you so much for your time, Søren. You need to get back to work, so do I. But for all the rest of you, we have so many more features that we're excited to talk about in this release. So for those of you who are watching this in the beginning of October, go sign up to our webinars. They'll be linked in the description somewhere, and we hope to see you there.